With many constantly talking about respiratory infections and also viral infections, it may be of interest to take a look at some herbs that can be of assistance with viral issues as well as clearing mucus and coughs. Taking care of the lungs is essential for anyone who is focusing on improving their overall health. That is because, when excess mucus is present, it can be very discomforting, especially if you just can't seem to get rid of it. The good news is, there are several natural herbs that studies have shown to contain potent therapeutic properties that are beneficial for the lungs and respiratory system. In this video, we're going to break down the top 7 herbs that you can use to clear up your lungs and make breathing easier. So if you're ready, let's get into it. 1. Eucalyptus. In 1788, Surgeon General John White arrived with the first fleet on Australia's fair shores. Within a few short weeks, he began documenting the uniquely pungent eucalyptus plant. Of course, the incredible healing properties of eucalyptus were well known in many local Aboriginal communities, who had used it for time untold to heal wounds, stave off infections and create infusions that ease congestion, colds and fevers when inhaled. Most modern cough and congestion treatments now contain eucalyptus. It also is a common ingredient in many liquid soaps and antiseptic sprays due to its powerful germicidal properties. Simply placing 1 to 3 drops of eucalyptus oil into a bowl of hot water and breathing in the steam can help to clear stuffy nasal passages, dilate the bronchioles in your lungs and help shift some of that sticky mucus out of your system. This plant also encourages secretion of sweat glands, which help to reduce fevers. 2. Lungwort. In the early 1600s, people believed that plants resembling certain human physical attributes could be beneficial to the part of the body they bore similarities to. Lungwort was thought to resemble human lung tissue and was widely used as an effective remedy for respiratory ailments. While this theory was of course eventually discredited, modern research has shown that the antioxidant and mucus-clearing traits in lungwort may be beneficial to boosting lung health. In modern herbal medicine, it is commonly used as a respiratory aid for its ability to reduce irritation in airways, and for its soothing properties. Lungwort's role as an effective agent for respiratory relief is partly due to its incredible antioxidative powers. Antioxidants are vital for supporting healthy organs and overall well-being, especially in the presence of pro-oxidants, or dangerous free radicals, which polluted air is, unfortunately, chock full of. 3. Oregano. It might surprise you to learn that your common kitchen herb, oregano, is more than just a flavorful favorite in Mediterranean cuisine. It is packed full of powerful nutrients that can give your immune system a boost and contains certain compounds containing antihistamine and decongestive properties. To relieve a pollution-induced headache, try rubbing a small amount of oregano oil on your temples and forehead. A recent article by Phytotherapy Research asserts that this humble herb is almost as strong as morphine in the painkilling game. It is also an extremely effective antibiotic and has excellent germicide capable of killing a wide range of fungi and bacteria. So remarkable are the antiseptic properties in this plant that Jean Valnet, author of The Practice of Aromatherapy, describes how oil of oregano is so strong that it is capable of sterilizing sewage. 4. Peppermint. The menthol contained in peppermint can soothe your respiratory tract. Menthol, which is the main chemical component of peppermint, acts as an effective decongestant. Decongestants are known to shrink swollen membranes in the nose, making it easier to breathe. Menthol is also an expectorant, meaning it has the ability to loosen and bring up mucus from the lungs. As peppermint is an antihistamine and antioxidant, it is effective in fighting congested airways and also combats many harmful organisms invading your airways. An article published by the American Chemical Society in 2015, scientists concluded that, based on its wide antimicrobial properties, can be a useful agent for the treatment of uncomplicated infections of the skin and respiratory tract. 5. Osha Root. The roots of the Osha herb contain camphor, phytosterols, saponins and other oils, which make it one of the greatest remedies for supporting lung function. The root increases blood circulation to the lungs, making it possible to breathe more deeply and clearly. Its antihistamine properties can also calm irritated sinuses and soothe other respiratory irritations. Historically, the root was hailed for its medicinal powers by Native American and Hispanic cultures. Native Americans of North America observed bears looking for Osha and consuming the plant roots directly after emerging from winter hibernation or when wounded or sick. Today, Osha is used to treat sore throats, bronchitis, coughs, common colds, influenza, swine flu, and pneumonia. If you find that your throat becomes very painful in polluted environments, consider using this herb for its numbing effect, which can help alleviate pain caused by irritated tissues in your respiratory tracts. 6. Harhound. The Harhound leaf, which comes from the mint family, is actually a common ingredient in cough drops and cough syrup. That is because its natural properties work as an expectorant to aid in the removal of mucus and secretions from the lungs. This means that it would be useful for those with allergies, sinus infections, and chest congestion. Some people use this herb to make their own cough syrup by finely chopping up the leaves and mixing them with alcohol and honey. 7. Ginseng. It's an herb that has been used in traditional Asian medicine for centuries. Ginseng is known for its potent antioxidant properties, which works well for fighting inflammation. Not only is this beneficial for your lungs, it's good for pretty much every organ and system in the human body. Not to mention, studies found that ginseng actually can provide a boost to your immune system as well. That's not even why we included ginseng in this list. The reason is, studies found that ginseng is beneficial for those with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. And in case you weren't aware, COPD is the third leading cause of death in the United States, so it affects far more people than you probably realize. So, there you it. Now you about all of the best herbs for your lungs and respiratory system. Hopefully the information in this video can you breathe easier and improve your overall health. Keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only. As always, please speak with your doctor for medical advice and treatment. Until next time, happy healing. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos.